Have you ever heard the stories of too many eggs in Nigeria, food waste, and not enough value conversion techs? Well, if you have, then Limlim will definitely impress you.
Hello everyone, my name is Adeola Balogun, co-founder of Limlim Food Production Company. You're welcome to our facility.
The extensive COVID-19 lockdown in Nigeria was rather hard on poultry production and distribution networks. It was, however, a good time for the Lagos Appeals Project and commodity interest groups like Limlim to explore and expand on market opportunities.
It all started during COVID. Pre-COVID, we had done some sampling on egg powder and we've seen that we were able to do it. But during COVID, then the issue became more in our face, where we were seeing farmers burying eggs because they could not have access to market. And so the excess production, the egg glut, the excess production was being buried. And so we felt we could do this, we could turn this into powder, and then we started doing that. We had some states invite us, but Appeals in particular was very supportive, and we're going through and following through with us, and that's how we started doing it in commercial quantities.
Egg powder is a fast-rising industry subset in the poultry value chain. And in terms of utility, it is widely applied across various sectors.
Right now, given the CBN directive on FX, companies that normally import egg powder for their products are finding it difficult to import this product. So they are looking for local companies that are able to produce this to meet their demand. So egg powder is being used largely in the food and beverage industries. It's used in making biscuits, snacks, ice creams, amongst other things, and also used in the pharmaceutical industry. There's use and application for egg powder in that area.
While it is phenomenal that Limlim is pushing the frontiers in value chain creation, Appeals' intervention here is targeted at providing economic solutions to the challenge of egg glut in Nigeria.
So these machines are called freeze dryers, and this is where the magic happens, and this is what makes it different from others. So we separate the eggs and then we place them in trays and put them in the machine. And once you start the machine, you can't touch them. The machines are automated. It tells you what is going through, and once the process is complete, then it tells you process complete, and then you bring it out, you bag, and you sell to customers.
Regular checks and tests are often conducted to determine hygiene, safety, and consumption standards. A single powder machine takes 6 crates of eggs, and the production cycle is pegged at 48 hours.
Prior to Appeals intervention, we were struggling to even show samples for the egg powder, given the fact that we're also doing fruits and vegetables. With the Appeals intervention, we're clearly being able to focus on egg powder production, and we have the more confidence to meet the companies and showcase what we have. And we're also thinking about plans now to move into a bigger facility. We've written to the Ministry of Agric, and they're looking at options for us to where they can set up a proper egg powder facility to meet the demand.
Quick fact, with eggs, there's nothing that goes to waste. Aside the albumin, which is the main component of the egg white powder, and the egg yolk used for yellow egg powder, the shells are also collected and processed for animal feeds and scouring powder.
To start by thanking Almighty God for His mercies, we want to thank Appeals Project, particularly Lagos State and World Bank Project team, for their support towards enabling us set up and actualize our egg powder facility. Of course, we're asking for more. We need more machines. We need support to ensure that we meet the demand. But we're thankful also that we're able to impact a lot of lives, particularly the women that are working with us.